Everyone's talking about ChatGPT, but what if I told you there's an AI that actually thinks faster than ChatGPT? Meet Perplexity AI, the world's fastest AI search assistant. It doesn't just give you answers, it browses the entire internet in real time. I asked it a simple question. What are the best AI tools for students in 2025? Within seconds, it gave me a complete list with real sources and live data. That's insane. Every answer includes citations and verified links, so you're not just trusting AI, you're getting facts straight from the web. Now, ChatGPT is great, but it can't browse the web. Perplexity does, and it's way faster at finding new information. You can even ask follow-up questions, and it remembers your context, just like a real human assistant. This thing learns as you talk. So yeah, Perplexity might just be the next big AI revolution. Try it out today, and if you love discovering tools like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI hacks and updates.